Hello, hello, my dearest friends. Annyeonghaseyo. Bonjour. Kifkon. Ça va? Tamam? This is your host, Ambisyosa Josa. I want to thank you for watching my previous videos, and I really wish that it brought you somehow a hint of inspiration. And for today's video, I am going to make a flower crown. I am so damn obsessed with flower crown. Besides the fact that the flower crowns have been a symbol of love, fertility, and celebration throughout history and around the world, they are so easy to make and personalized. The big question, are flower crowns still in style 2021? No matter what the haters say, the natural queenly look doesn't need approval. The head flowers halo has been always popular accessory of all over the world for centuries. It never been out of style like flowers do. It has its history, it has its roots, it has great symbolic meaning. It's been always bringing magic and beauties as it was and as it is now. Needless to say, flower crown headdress shows no sign of fading in fashion. It's my friend's birthday and she invited us to celebrate with her. I really love to see the birthday celebrant stands out and shining because it's her day. And my way to make it is by putting a birthday flower crown on her head. There is no doubt that a lady who wears flower crown stands out so beautifully. And even a man! Look at him! So cute! Isn't he gorgeous with that crown? Oh yeah, so gorgeous. I already made couples of videos featuring how to make flower crowns. You can check the link below. There is something different though that I did on the making of this flower crown. I used this empty bottle instead of using wires as the base of the halo. I was so happy of the result. Now I can use and recycle plastic water bottles on making this magical crown. I don't have to cut wires. Yeah, definitely. I think from now on I will always recycle the water bottle to use as my flower crown base. I think I prefer to use these recycled plastic water bottles. And why? Watch the full video, watch this video until the end and you will understand why I like this more than using the wire as the base. If you love the boho look or just want to have a glorious cascade of flowers framing your face, I will show you how to make your very own flower crown. So what I am doing here is I am securing the base of the floral crown because it's soft, as you see. So I cut a bit on the edges and secure it with this little string. This is to make the base very strong and be able to be sticked with lots of flowers and leaves. So I have this piece of cloth that I also recycled. It's from my old dress, and We will use that to cover the base of our floral crown. I have some petals, rose petals that I bought from dollar store, and I'm gonna stick it on the base of our flower crown so it will be more strong and established. I create my magical floral crowns by using these man-made flowers that I collected from dollar store. Every time I get inside the dollar store, I would look for some flowers and I'll buy it and just store them. And so when I needed them, like this time, it's so easy for me to have them ready. Throughout history and around the world, crowns fashioned of flowers and greenery have symbolized love, fertility, and festivity. The tradition of wearing flower crowns has been a pastime in different cultures. Flower crowns are especially popular in present day as to wear at a festival and to add a special touch to a celebration, such like the birthday celebration. With so many different fashion tastes in modern day society, it is easy to create a unique flower crown to complement a unique style of a certain special occasion. Go as over the top or as simple as you want, from oversized flowers to delicate sprigs of flowerets. To get the full scoop on the flower crown, we have to go back to histories of China, ancient Greece, Ukraine, Victorian era to 1960 hippie culture, and so on. When it comes to making your own flower crown, not all flowers are created equally. You want to look for smaller filler flowers because these smaller bloom for each crown. I recommend 1 to 2 large blooms and 3 to 5 smaller blooms to use as accents. You don't want too many large flowers or the crown will become too heavy and oversized. In addition, choose a few stems of greenery to act as filler. With a little time and creativity, I made this custom DIY flower crowns for the birthday celebrant. It was a very simple celebration filled with happiness, smiles, laughter, dancing, and yummy, beautiful cake with a sweet-smelling red rose in the middle. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please leave thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and set the bell so you will be notified for my next video. For my next video, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful birds of paradise flowers bouquet.